Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make navigation, fixed navigation. I hope it's not gonna be too long, but if it is, feel free to skip, and I'll start with basics, HTML stuff, body, blah blah blah. Just ignore it or type with me. I'm gonna use head here. Let's close it. In the body, we'll have header. Close it. Then div area for text, just to fill in the space. And let's close this all. And I'm gonna actually I will use jQuery library here, and you basically need to download it first. Go ahead, Google it, like download. I'm using jQuery just first. I think the last version is jQuery 3.1.0, but if you're watching it in 2017, it's probably something newer. So, and to include your jQuery library, you need to put it to save it in the folder where you will save this file that we're typing right now. To include it in the code, you need I will put it on the top so I don't forget it, and that's where you're supposed to put it. It looks like that. And the code is not gonna work if you don't download it, and if you download the version jQuery 3 and you put 1.11.1, it's not gonna work too. Make sure you put number 3 in there. I hope that's typed correct. Let's close it. Okay, let's do a header. It's gonna be just space here. I'll use div area to make a black block to see which area we scroll down and where it's supposed to be fixed. But I'll add some style in it. I'm not gonna do external CSS file, so I'll include it here, inline. Border to see where our header ends, because it's in the bottom border, which is different from the color of header. I'll make it gray. Background will be black. We'll get back to code, to script really quick. Sorry about this, but I'm learning best when I can see what's going on, and we'll try to open it right now to see how it looks like. Let's save it. I already made a folder for that on my desktop, and I called it Fixed Navigation. Here is my jQuery library. Oh, I don't need to save it like that. So I'll save it Fixed Navigation. Okay. Good. Let's open it in the browser. Okay, nope, not here. That's all my mess. Don't even try to figure out what it means. Yeah, that's the black block I told you about, and this is where it ends. Here is a gray border I made. See, gray border at the bottom for just 2 pixels, which is tiny, and background color. Here is a height, which is 100 pixels, to keep this black block. Go ahead and as we are doing fixed navigation, we need navigation, of course. I'll do it right after closing our black block. So navigation would be in header as well. Unordered list. And I'll do 6 navigation choices. You're free to do 2 or 3 or 20, whatever works for your case. Just copy it, paste. 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. Close that. Close navigation. Header is closed. Let's see what's changed. Let's refresh it. Good. I'm gonna do it inline so it looks horizontal. I'll need to add some CSS for that. Let's do class here. Actually, no, we don't need class for that. Let's just do it all in line. Style. Background color black. And border bottom the same as we had here. Oh, I could just copy it, but whatever. Let's do it here. Save. And as for no, it goes to navigation, not ordered list, because we need to take the whole, cut it. On ordered list, I'll need some styles too. You'll see the difference why I'm doing it. We need margin to make it look more symmetric, and to have spaces between navigation choices. Okay, oh, I forgot to close it here. Guess. Nope. Here. Be careful with that. And I will need some styles for list, and I need to put my style CSS at the top, because there is no, I'm too lazy to add it to every single navigation choice I have, so I'll just make a style here in the head section. Style, now the list. Everything in those parentheses would be related to list, so to navigation choices. And I'll explain it in a second. Actually, we don't need to use any styles like bullets or squares, and we need to make them look floated to the left, so they keep order and stick to each other. Margin, not necessarily, but let's just keep it. Width of every cell of navigation choice would be 14% of the whole area. I think it's like if you divide 100% between 7 navigation choices, around 14, I guess. Okay, don't deal with math right now. And they will be white color, so we have differences of colors, which is contrast, to make it look more appealing. Let's close our style section. Let's see if we change something. Yep. So 14%, 14%, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. And auto margin makes it look equal space to the right and to the left. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm not here to explain CSS, and I'm not doing it really good, so whatever. Now we need to add some text. So when we scroll, we need to have this navigation area to stick, where you can, if you're doing portfolio or something for business purpose, for example, your business company has a phone number in here, or email to us somewhere here, and you need to keep it at the top, so your user, your future buyer or customer, will see your contact information, and he or she doesn't need to scroll up again, which is really annoying. I'll need some text to fill up the space so we can scroll it, and we'll do it with lorem ipsum, where I'm not sure if it's spelled, if I pronounce it correct, but there is a website you can find this simple text. I'll copy it, paste it in my code. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Wait, that's not that. Hey, where did I get it? Uh-oh, not here. This one? Yay! Yeah, that's here. And we'll do it to the main area of our website, web page, which is right after the header. in the div section. I'll do probably paragraph out of it, and I'll do some styles too. You'll see how it looks like. Padding 15 pixels, so it doesn't stick to the edges. 18 pixels, why not? I like to align everything to center. That's the CSS property I use most often. Now we can add this text here. Copy and paste. And maybe just let's break it a little bit here, and I'll copy and paste it again, and let's break it again. BR makes like a horizontal line, not a horizontal line, but makes a space, because sometimes HTML, not sometimes, always, it just ignores the enter, so even if you see your code like that, it's not gonna be visible. Let's save it. Close the paragraph, of course. And let's see how it looks like in our page. So we have lots of code, lots of text. When we scroll, we cannot see the area that we need to see. If we have contact information here, it just goes up. If we have more code and we scroll even further down, we're gonna be at the bottom, and you'll need to go up again every time to see some information. Let's work on information fix. We need to work on our styles. Actually, let's do some coding first. Sorry. I'm changing my mind so fast. Okay, let's go at the bottom. Before the closing bodice tag, we'll do our script, which is going to be embedded too. Never do that. I mean, do that, but you can actually do external script, external styles. I guess your teacher would love it. Let's do some coding actually, to make it look distinguishable. 100. That's this number, this variable shows how many pixels from the top we need to wait before fixed scrolling. So look at that. I'll explain. Here, if you remember, in our header we made 100, height was 100, so whenever you scroll down and it goes 101 pixels, so right here, this navigation choices just stick to this edge and stay there forever. Right now it's not, because we just made a variable. So so we know when do we need to stick this choice. If we do it like 200 instead of 100, we'll scroll down until somewhere here, and our navigation will be shown only after we scroll down 200 pixels down. Next, here is some jQuery code. Not really not JavaScript, jQuery library. That's why it looks a little bit different from regular JavaScript syntax. Okay, just the function name. So it shows us if we scroll tab more than 100, which is number variable num, then do something like oops, I missed one line here. Window, stick, scroll, and function here. Open parentheses. Let's type next. So if we scroll more than number, which is 100, then we need to use class fixed, which we will implement in our style at the top of our page of our code. Navigation, take navigation and add class. Add class is just function of jQuery. We call this class fixed. You'll see where it's gonna be, and if not, then I like this $sign. Okay, sorry if I'm too slow. It's like 11:20 p.m. Time to go to bed. I'll remove. So if you don't scroll more than 100 pixels, then don't use class fixed. Remove it. Let's see how it will look like now. Oh no, we're not gonna see it until we do this class fixed. Okay. We open this parenthesis here, and we close it right here, so they're paired now. We'll add class fixed, and we're done. Finally. Oh, nope. What just happened? Okay. Don't celebrate too fast. Ouch. Okay, whatever. Fixed. Yes, almost forgot how it's called. We take position of our navigation and make it fixed. You are welcome to play with those dimensions. Instead of tab, you can put 1 to 100. Instead of width, you can put 100, but it will look weird unless you have all in white color. You'll see that. So that's how it works in my case. Let's see if we're done. Hope so. Save it, download it, refresh it, Let's see. Scroll. Oh. Not a good sign at all. Hey! What did just happen? Every time I'm doing something, it's not working. In the beginning. See, this is good. That looks good. Maybe it's just here in our script. 100. Scroll. Of course. Why do we have else here if you don't have if there? That's so simple. See? Let's see if those two letters change that. Oop. One more time. Refresh it. Scroll down 100. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Did I save it? Refresh. Oh crap. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Just bear with me. The number. Everything is closed. Class. Fixed. Don't remove class. Fixed. Oh, everything looks good here for me. Maybe I'll just switch it to places here. Okay. Let's try to debug this a little bit. I almost never use it. Okay. Help us. Line 62. Where is line 62? Okay, what you don't like here? Oh, gotcha. Let's see if this crappy parenthesis was a problem. Yay! Oh my god, I'm so happy! We made it! I'm so tired. So, I used this technique in my website, one of my websites. Let me show you how it looks like. Oh my gosh, I was sweating so much doing that. Okay. I'm just learning, so don't judge, please. That's how it looks in my project for school. Yep, right here. So that's my navigation area. It's supposed to be fixed navigation. When I scroll it past 100 pixels, it sticks. Look how it looks like. Yep, you can do that. Okay guys, thank you for watching it. Yep, I guess I'll see you.